Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of LuxAlgo and ChartPrime, two of the most talked about trading tools in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, choosing the right indicator suite can make a significant difference in your trading success. So let's explore these platforms to help you make an informed decision as to which is the best trading indicator in 2025. Let's get started. LuxAlgo is renowned as the world's largest provider of trading indicators, offering a comprehensive suite of tools designed to enhance your trading experience. Integrated seamlessly with TradingView, LuxAlgo provides toolkits, screeners, backtesters, AI backtesting assistance as well, which is an AI platform that automatically finds trading strategies from toolkits. LuxAlgo boasts a vibrant community of over 150,000 traders on Discord, fostering collaboration and strategy development. How about ChartPrime? ChartPrime offers a suite of advanced trading indicators designed to provide real-time insights into market trends. Also integrated with TradingView, ChartPrime features include smart money concepts, auto pattern detection, liquidity zones, and volume profile, which involves displaying volume, price levels, and quote values to identify key supports and resistance levels. ChartPrime emphasizes a community-centric approach with an interactive Discord channel for traders to discuss market trends and strategies. Now let us talk about the main features of each of the platforms. First, LuxAlgo. Real-time buying and selling signals. They offer precise signals with built-in reversal alerts. The take profit levels and stop loss recommendations are offered as well. Customizable indicators. They tailor tools to your strategy, including support and resistance zones and trend confirmation filters. Built-in risk management. They have automated alerts for stop loss, take profit, and position sizing. Strategy backtesting. Backtest strategies on historical data helps to fine-tune your approach. Multi-timeframe analysis. They analyze trades across different timeframes, and this is great. Advanced charting tools. They enhance charts with trend lines and price action patterns. How about ChartPrime? Smart money concepts. They identify break of structure, change of character, order blocks, and fair value gaps. Auto pattern detection. They detect trading patterns in real time with automatic entry and exit points. Liquidity zones. They highlight areas with significant market orders showing bullish versus bearish volume. Volume profile. They display volume, price levels, and quote values to identify key support and resistance levels. Cutting edge oscillators. They spot divergences, trend reversals, and overbought or oversold areas. Dynamic reactor and quantum bands. They identify high activity trading zones and potential price pullbacks. Now let us talk about the pricing of each of the platforms. First, LuxAlgo. They offer 3 subscription plans. The Essential plan at $24.99 per month, which includes the Price Action Concepts Toolkit and Community Access. The Premium plan at $39.99 per month, that includes all the features from the Essentials plus lots more. And the Ultimate plan at $59.99 per month. This is for data-driven traders who want professional backtesting with AI. And ChartPrime? There are 2 basic plans, the Pro plan and the Plus plan. The Pro plan is offered at $67 per month, and the Plus plan is offered at $117 per month. Currently, the most popular yearly plan is 40% off. That's a huge discount that you might want to grab if you're thinking of using ChartPrime. Let us talk about the pros and cons of using both platforms. First, LuxAlgo. The pros. There's a comprehensive suite of tools for various trading. Active community support with over 150,000 traders. Integration with TradingView for seamless charting. And there are regular updates and feature enhancements that are based on user feedback. And the pros of ChartPrime? Advanced indicators focusing on institutional trading behaviors. Real-time pattern detection and volume analysis tools. Community-driven approach with educational resources. How about the cons? For LuxAlgo, steeper learning curve for beginners, and performance may vary depending on hardware capabilities. Higher pricing tiers may be a barrier for some traders. And the cons of using ChartPrime? Limited information on pricing and plan details on the website. It may require additional tools for comprehensive backtesting as well. In conclusion though, both LuxAlgo and ChartPrime offer robust tools to enhance your trading strategies. LuxAlgo provides a comprehensive suite with AI-driven backtesting and a vast community, making it suitable for traders seeking an all-in-one solution. ChartPrime, on the other hand, offers advanced indicators focusing on institutional trading behaviors, and it's ideal for traders that are looking to align with smart money movements. Your choice between the two should depend on your trading style, your experience level, and specific needs. So consider trying out their respective trials to see which platform resonates best with your trading approach. And that's it on the comparison of LuxAlgo and ChartPrime. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore TrendSpider, TradingView, and Market Cypher. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.